I was in an accident with a bus. I was picking my youngest boy up from school, driving him home, and a bus decided to not yield and T-boned us. I ended up injuring my rotator cuff and having to go through surgery and physical therapy, and it was an ordeal. All we want is my medical bills paid. That's it. That's all we want. The insurance company decided to argue with us. There was some question as to whose fault the accident was, and we came to Josh. The insurance company fought with him tooth and nail, and he was great. He explained everything, every step of the way for me. He came out to talk to the witness himself and came to check out the car and the house. I mean, he really added a personal touch. I mean, he cared, and it was amazing.
Very welcoming personality, and basically held our hands throughout the entire process.
And he didn't give up.
When the going got tough, he dug in and he fought for us, and we're very, very happy.
It was better than what we expected. Josh just went above and beyond. All of his hard work, we're doing great now. We've been able to move past it. We've been able to heal from the trauma of the car wreck. I don't think we would have been able to do that without his help.
I had a very bad accident going home from work. I had neck injuries and some back injuries. Every time I went to a doctor's appointment, they were instructed, send this to his insurance. Well, his insurance really wasn't paying any bills. So finally, it got to the point where I was going to have to get an attorney because I knew I could not do this on my own. I was given Josh's name through a referral of another good friend and came to him. He was Johnny on the spot. He started working right away. He negotiated the bills, and there were a lot of them, believe me. Some of them he cut in half. I mean, it was really, really good. He was honest and upfront with me and how things would work, and he would always tell me this is about how long I would expect this to be, and in the end, he was very effective. Without his help, I don't know what my situation would have turned out to be.
I got rear-ended in a car accident in the middle of winter. The lady was texting and driving on her phone and going a little bit too fast, and I was at a stoplight. She didn't even stop at all. The lady totaled about her car, and it got me pretty good too, and it hurt my back. I didn't understand what the insurance company wanted when they called me and offered me money. And then I was like, I have to call an attorney because I do not know what they're talking about. And Josh helped me. He explained it to me and put it in layman's terms and made me feel a little bit more at ease. I would say the biggest thing is he kept in touch with me. He would call me on a weekly basis and say, hey, how's physical therapy going? Do you need anything? This is what's going on with your case. And he would keep me up and informed with everything that was happening. And whenever it came time for the settlement and everything, he helped me finish off and pay all my medical bills and medical debt, and I didn't have that to worry about. He made it a lot smoother process than most lawyers. And he goes the extra mile to make sure that he's fighting for what you deserve and what's fair. It was a fight with the insurance companies for a little bit, but we got it settled and I was happy.